Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate channel for enriching your vocabulary and exploring the depths of the English language. Today, we're diving into the word ingratiate. So, what does ingratiate mean in English? At its core, ingratiate means to bring oneself into favor with someone by trying to please them. It's often used when someone is trying to win approval or favor, sometimes through flattery. According to various dictionaries, ingratiate is synonymous with terms like flatter, charm, and woo. But there's more to it. Let's explore a plethora of synonyms to deepen our understanding of ingratiate. We have words like curry favor, butter up, fawn over, and play up to. Each of these words gives us a nuanced way to describe the act of trying to win someone's favor. For example, if you say, she tried to ingratiate herself with the new boss by complimenting his work, you could also say, she tried to curry favor with the new boss by complimenting his work. See how versatile it can be. That wraps up our exploration of ingratiate. Remember, expanding your vocabulary not only enhances your communication skills but also opens up new ways to express yourself. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive. Until next time, keep thriving with words.